Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this Paint 3D project. So we have this color, so I'm going to type 50 and we draw, nope, 50. Now if we draw, it gives us this 50 color. If we click erase, it erases. So create a new project. I'm going to call this Paint. And then next, I'm going to add some grid paper. This will be the background of it. Right? This will be the background. If you want this to change colors, you can, but I don't want to. So this causes it to change colors. So yeah, you can use this block, but I'm not going to use it. Alright, so this I'm going to call mouse. And then just delete this. And this gets deleted too. And then I'm going to make like this red mouse. And then there's a trick in Scratch. You can use shift and then use circle and it does this. If you want to make it bigger and then doesn't want to get this thing off, hold Alt and then do this and it gets bigger. Probably set it to that size. Okay. And then do when flag clicked forever. Go to motion. Go to mouse pointer. So this thing is gonna keep following the mouse pointer. Okay, so now we're gonna create some variables. Okay, so I'm gonna call this one color. Actually, no, we're not gonna do that. I'm gonna create a new sprite, call this color. And then let's make a button real quick. I'm gonna make like this red button. Then we can do like a black words. So color. Okay, now let's put this in the middle. Okay, there we go. And then actually let's make this super small. 2, oh, that's way too small. 50, yeah, 50 is good. Now, add this color here and then, okay, let's just make it a little bigger. 75 is good, yeah. Okay, so do when flag clicked, show, and then do when this sprite clicked, broadcast. Actually, we'll do here. When flag clicked forever. No, never. Yeah. If mouse down. So if it's clicked and if mouse down and touching color, we ask, and then we can just say like, tell me a number between 1 and 100 for color. Okay, so if we click this, yep. If we click it again, it does not do it. Well, it just does it on the very close. Okay, so ask, tell me number, and then we're gonna add extension and call this pen. So this is just going to draw us stuff. We can just do, yeah. We can do set pen color to answer. Okay, so if we try again, obviously we can't draw, so I'm gonna do when space key pressed. Where is it? Pen up. Alright, so if we do this, I think it's pen down. Okay. Okay, yeah. Actually, let's do if key space pressed. We'll do, take that out, put pen down. Actually, let's get else too. If then else, if keys space press, pen down, else pen up. So if we try this, try it again, draw, or space. Yeah, and it stops when you let go. Now let's see, color 50, then click space. Yeah, it changes to blue because blue is 50. So if we do 1 again, 1, and then space, yeah, it's 1. So this was part 1 of how to make Paint 3D. So thank you guys, and I'll see you guys next time.